Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me INFINIX Hot 11S NFC device, and now I'm gonna show you how to install the protective glass on this. Firstly, of course, you need to buy the protective glass for your device. I will use the protective glass for LG K52 because I can't find the protective glass for this device in my country. And that's it. Let's begin. Firstly, we need to power off our device. So press and hold power button, click power off and hold power off, wait a while, and cool. Now we need to wrap our screen. To do it, use your microfiber or just paper towel. If you have a new phone, it will be easy because your device have no damaged screen. Okay. Okay, now remove protective foil from your protective glass. Wait, what? Okay, I will try to do it in another way. Okay. Great protective glass. And now just install the top part of the protective glass, and then wait, no. Okay, a little bubble, but it's not critical. Okay, and cool. Now you need just to remove all bubbles into your protective glass. So I suggest you use just microfiber. If you see the bubble, just press on this bubble and remove it under your protective glass. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.